Well, we got some trees over the trail with all the, we had some freezing rain, so I got to cut those down. Well, guys, I got this new saw. It's a cordless 8-inch chainsaw by SeeSii. The kind folks there reached out to me and see if I would do a review on this chainsaw, and I knew I could use it days like this when we have trees across the trail and they're quite high, so you just reach up and cut them off. So cordless 21 volt. I already charged this up, so it's got a little guard on here, 2 batteries. So you got 2 batteries, glasses, charging, extra chain, gloves. So we're going to try it out now, see how it works. So let's take the guard off it and get a little trigger release. So we're going to try it, see if it works. Wow, that's fast. This thing is sharp and fast. Wow, amazing. So far I'm impressed. But there's a couple more trees across the trail down the way. We're going to have another try down there. But so far pretty good. Today we're going to try this SeeSii. I pronounced it wrong last time.
Is it SeeSii?
We'll have a fire, well, the kettle, and what? Bologna.
Bologna?
Wieners.
Bologna wieners?
Okay, let's go get some wood. You want to cut it? I'll do one. Make a cut right there.
Even Even I could use it?
Well, kids probably shouldn't.
Oh, Bring it closer to your base.
How do you mean, this? Oh,
There.
like this? I was
Yeah.
trying to get out of the snow.
Don't matter. Don't matter. Cut that in half.
And that.
What?
Wait now. Just lay it up.
There we go. Just gonna make a base. Put the fire.
Good saw when you don't want to take your big one.
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
fabulous.
There's only a tiny bit of snow in there.
You put it all in, Grampy?
That's the 3 cups.
That's probably the whole thing. Fabulous.
Good job, babe.
Do we close this
Yep.
thing?
Close the top, yeah.
There you go.
All right, let's get some bologna going.
I hope you get there eventually. I thought you plant.
Save the trees, that's a good idea. I'll help you. Come on, this one.
It's right.
Whoa!
We're having smoked wieners.
It's over here.
Okay, we're
Danny, the hot dogs are burning! Oh, boy. I like the non-burnt hot dogs.
there's a couple of them really
Yeah.
That's too much?
Yes.
Yeah.
She likes it just one.
Would you like some? Sit. Sit. It's how hot yet. Hot. Hold on.
Mmm.
Good?
Yeah.
It's good, yeah.
Hot dog.
Is that enough for you? Or? Maybe you
Here.
don't.
Cheers.
It
Cheers to that one.
was enough.
Bologna in the woods.
Yummy, the way I like it.
Cannot
Crunchy.
beat it. Now a cup of tea.
I'll save you some. Yummy, gooey.
That was it.
I'm sure it's
Nice.
delicious.
It looks like there's chocolate in the bread.
Mm-hmm.
Well, guys, another short video here today. Took our granddaughter out for a little fire, cooked up some wieners and bologna, and did a little review of that SeeSii cordless 21 volt chainsaw. So just away from the cabin for the day, something different, but probably back at the cabin again next week's video, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for coming along again. Until then, take care, God bless, see you next week.